Bible definition of restoration, Bible nuggets, Jeremiah 29:11, which says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and a hope." This verse speaks to the idea that God has a plan for our lives and that He desires to bring us to a place of restoration, both spiritually and physically. A comprehensive and challenging definition of restoration, based on biblical principles, could be the process of returning something or someone to its original state, purpose, or intended design through the power and grace of God. This process may involve healing, forgiveness, reconciliation, and transformation, as well as the destruction of sin and the rebuilding of broken relationships with God and others. It requires humility, obedience, perseverance, and a deep trust in the sovereignty and goodness of God. Ultimately, restoration is a work of grace that brings glory to God and brings us into a closer relationship with Him. Greg Gaines. Father, grandfather, minister, missionary, deacon, elder, author, digital missionary, foster parents, welcome to our family.